Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to install Sony Bravia Smart TV stand leg. Okay, as you can see on the table now, this is the TV stand, and to install it you need to have the screwdriver, and there are 4 screws attached to this TV stand. You can find out when you get it from the box. Okay, and to install the TV stand you need to put the TV on the corner of the table like this. It's make you to access the TV stand attached to the TV. Okay, and now let's see, this is the front of the TV and this is the back. So you need to put this side to the front view of the TV. Okay, now we import it to the TV. Okay, so I need to take it a little bit more. And if you put it in the wrong side, let's see, so we cannot attach it to the TV. Okay, now I put the TV stand to the correct position, and this time you can screw it to the TV with this 4 screw using this screwdriver. Okay, now let's screw it. Okay, after we complete the screw work, and now let's see the result together. Okay, and now your TV can stand on the table. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can install the TV stand to your Sony Bravia Smart TV. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.